Okay, welcome students of class 7. Today we'll start lesson number 11, browsing internet and email. So in this lesson we are going to see about this following topics about blogs and microbloggings, Twitter, electronic newspaper, mailing list, creating mailing list, and about e-greetings. Okay, these all topics are an overview of the services available on the internet. So first of all, let's begin with blogs. Some of you have heard the word blogging. So blogging, what is blog? It is actually a platform, a base from where a group of people, say it is generally the writers, share their opinions and views on a particular kind of topic. It is an online journal that displays information in reverse chronological order. Here, the reader gets the chance to comment on the writer's post. Whatever writers is written in that blog, the reader or as a consumer, you can get to read as well as get the chance to comment on those or voice your individual subjects. If you are the critics of that particular writing or a favor of that particular writing, you can comment your views. Actually, it is when you see the news on the news channel, you are able to only see and hear, but you cannot comment on those videos or the news shown on the TV. Whatever is shown, you are only seeing and hearing. But here in blogging, you get the chance to comment on those. Whether you agree or disagree, or you have some different point of view, you can put it there for other viewers to see. So blogs needs updates and involves reader engagement. So readers, those who are reading it, they have to be engaged all the time. Okay, and otherwise you'll miss a particular kind of topic, and you cannot then voice your comment. So how does the blog look? The pattern of the blog, it consists of these four main contents. It is divided into four main contents. Header with the menu or navigation bar, it will contain the header, what kind of blogging it will display. Then the main content area where the main blogging is written, what the writer is putting there on the platform of blogging will be written there. Then social profiles, favorite content or call to action, whatever favorites and social profiles will of yours will be displayed there. Then the disclaimer means privacy policy, and some legal policies are written there, and you can contact them, and the contact page will also be displayed on the footer, that means at the bottom of the blog. As small kind of blog is, I think you have heard, is Twitter. Twitter is a small kind of blog. It is not that original blog, but it is called microblogging. So it is a small kind of blog. That's why it is called microblogging. Here the same thing happens, is different. It is slightly different from that old blog, as contents are smaller. Here contents will be small. That is elaborate only, not in brief, only in brief. Okay, elaborate content will not be there, and user can create short messages on that particular kind of topic. So basically Twitter is a social platform that has become popular from this type of blogging. So blogging, in the sense of blogging, this type of blogging is not generally fashioned in the general public, but Twitter is more fashioned in the blog, in the general public. So microblogging, that is Twitter, is more uh, fashionable, and more user are using Twitter. So then comes, so what does microblog can contain, they can contain images, video links, digital videos and audios. If I let you see here, suppose Twitter is there, you can see here text messages is there, you can see the pictures also, you can get pictures. This is a Twitter microblogging. Okay, then you have the videos, there's a video playing there, and you can comment or you can like on it, you can retweet it, you can that is reblog that one, and you can comment also. Okay, you can comment. If you click on it, you can comment also, but before that you have to log in to the Twitter account, then only you can like the account. Okay, like the tweet or retweet that one. So these are all microblog. You can see that only one or two three statements are there only, not very much are there. Then you can comment on those also. There you can see 387 people have commented on that one. This much 9,000 so much people have liked that one. Okay, this is our Prime Minister Twitter account. You can see how many followers are there. Many followers are there. Okay, so it helps you to connect to that particular person directly. You can communicate with him, you can discuss your problems and anything if you are facing. So actually this his office actually handle his Twitter account, not himself only. So similarly, you can get the Twitter account of the president of US or different heads of states Twitter account. You can get, and you can get the information from their handles also. Okay, then you have the communication services. What are the communication services are available on the internet? You can see Skype, Facebook. Skype is a video calling software. Facebook Messenger, I think many of you are using. Google Hangouts, Yahoo Messenger, Snapchats also. These are chatting software, and some of them also allow us video calling also. Uh, the this is I'll show you an example of Google Hangouts. So if I go to the Google, have a Google account, then you'll get a Hangouts. Okay, this is the Hangouts. From here you can also start a meeting, video meeting also. You can see video meeting, and then you have the Hangouts. You can create a chat room there. Okay, so you click on the plus, you enter a chat room name. Okay, then you okay your group name, group 1, then enter the name and addresses in the group. Okay, so I have one. Now click on 2, then give a tick mark, then it will show you the chat window here. So you can just write and press enter, and it will send the message to those particular group of person. Okay, so you can use the Google Hangouts to chat also. It is given here in the following pictures. You can send message. Just I have now sent a message, hi. Now I have the newspaper. This is the electronic newspaper. You can open newspaper and view the online newspaper instead of normal papers also. So Yahoo newspaper is there. You can search in the Google, and then you can see the news of the current happenings. So these are electronic newspapers available on the internet. Every newspapers now have the electronic form. Okay, if you say Assam Tribune, Hindustan Times, every newspaper have their electronic form, digital form. No need to use the normal paper. Then you have the mailing list. What are mailing lists? Mailing lists are nothing but consist of name and address of the people whom you frequently send mails. Suppose in my mail account, this is my mail account. In my mail account, if I go to this contact list, I will see there is a list is there. In my list, there are some people are there. I can go and edit more names here also. If I type more names and click on save, it will add more names. Okay,